Kaunti ya MERU nĩrĩgĩrĩire kũgunĩka na ũthome wa njĩra ya mwanya bara bumĩte nthiguru ya Poland uria bubu kana utea bubu buria ndibwa kũritana Aritwa na njĩra ya mitandao bukaguna mbere buru Aritwa ba skuru ya MUKIRIA technical kwambĩrĩria mweri wa mbere mwaka twĩtĩte nĩ Aritwa baba bakaritanwo na nyuma ya mĩeri 3 ya kuthoma banenkerwo baruga kana certificate.
Nyume kwambire ubango jo wiki akawa kamero nthiguru na shengeretha oringi purity ntwaringi bana speaker yubundi ibashokerete na kireti kyujuri mawega kiria MERU mawega jambere ijo jaja mengeri jimbekirete na ritora gichomba shirimenyekana javachuri attitude machines machine izi shedoro shetumiro kiri nthiguru na cia chongo kuritana Aritwa njara cia kinande cia kwithiria. Mwaka jutite kwambiria Januari, kampuni ya Toolkit bagwatirite na Dig Innovation iri gwatirite purity ntwaringi bakethro bagwatirite na speaker y'ubundi ara bakethro bakiamina ubango jo kuritana Aritwa skuru ne MUKIRIA technical roterwa sentiment
teknology iria tukwariria ntukwena ni guchangia life kana mwitiraji wangu jo kwithia chuma na kugita chuma kuma gi teknology iria nkuru kuja kirenjero na kireji itukona ni more friendly nonto utemwankijwa kwethia utiroko kurukanira naru na number 2 ni kunyithia the cost of material nonto uhetumira the laptop kuita ngo yonde anto machine area ya kuita kuita mwanki ko tukagwa nonto this one has been tested in Poland. It has been brought to Kenya.
Kolinga nawe Jen Muigai uroethera tumina machine ji kuritana Aritwa etotariria twira atere ciena mwega nkabo ne nyama inda ukire machine ya cithiro citumirwa.
We are talking about internationally certified welding using virtual reality technology, and with that technology we have been able to train youth.
And then this is the most modern technology in the world. So we can provide not only training on welding, but now we started deploying VR training for solar technicians. And this is absolutely game changer for Kenya.
As a young person myself, we get to interact with fellow people around my age, and they're able to come without skills, learn a very valuable trade, and go find a job in record time.
Mwaka jo twetete ona ubango jo mbire skuru ne MUKIRIA kulingana bango speaker y'ubundi bena purity ntwaringi bari ugo bakethro bejo kinyithia roterwa nyambene
tukomba kureta this technology ni MERU tukomba at least nyago tethi youth igana kana magana jaire komba kumara na bona nguge patiga kuri wa muchara na shiringi ya Kenya bale wana ndora then twethro tutethetie muno youth bet.
The virtual reality technology will come a long way in ensuring that we train our students to the internationally acclaimed standards.
Mebango inge niretumira teknolojia ya kinande nirethuguritwo kiria MERU purity kuma kiria chongo ba Poland na retherwa agori ije kuthithia biogas iriketho cigita mainya kana stima iriketho citumira kirimeci ni nyankoroki kirentora tente to cia biogas yake kuna mantu jange jorimi joria kamoi urethera gitangoge kiro bisi minisa methikari ntore akwereithia
tukona very many opportunities kurugira urimi especially urimi wa kahawa ura tutongeretwo ni our able speaker bwana Ayub urimi wa kahawa na market ya kahawa yetu na OOME na nkurugi urimi bwa area. So there are very many opportunities ira tureteri not in Kenya but not only in Kenya, specifically county to MERU.
And then this is the same team that we have been working with Mantia Kawa, market Kawa, through our sister Purity, then Poland, then Europe, and still we are doing very well because at the moment, last year when we are here, we end an average of 20 tons on the Aritwa. Today it is about 50.
Kiri mushemoni jo kwithikirite mwaka Serena ja Nairobi ashonko ba kumanthiguru ne Poland ibajo kire kanyaka bubu bakwithira bakerithia Kenya mibango ije yao ira yonthe itite kwambira kaunti ne MERU nke reporter Antoshero TV Njuma kuma ja kingina ngine ne kire kimusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.